Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Nalini. In this video, I'm going to share the quick Montessori shelf update for this week for my child who is 16 months old right now. From this week onwards, I'm going to plan for theme-based Montessori shelves and also theme-based activities, and I'm going to introduce busy bins, and this week's color is yellow. So for this is the busy basket that I have kept, in which I have kept all the materials which are yellow in color, like banana, ducks, flashcard of yellow, and then some building blocks, balls, some toys, and then some giraffe and lion which is slightly yellow in color, and then some musical concert tambourines, lemon, fruit, which is like velcro dotted, that's fruit cutter kind of fruit, and then some chain links, basically everything yellow. So this kind of busy baskets are very useful for building up the curiosity of the toddler who are around 16 months, 15 months. Those kind of toddlers love to play with this. And the next one is like this kind of activity. This is just a posting activity in which we are having yellow color popsicle sticks with yellow basket. While I was arranging the shelf, Shradhu immediately came here and she was putting it over there, and it is really a good fine motor skill activity. So I've kept it in my shelf for this week. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is T-Rex, from the dinosaur animal figurines that we have. So since this was yellow, I just picked up that. And this is a magnetic fishing. So here is a two-piece puzzle. Since this lion is in yellow color, I have kept it here. Babies above 15 months will try to do that. And then we also have some fruits, vegetables book, in which we are planning to identify some yellow color fruits, yellow color vegetables, and all that. We are going to just talk about it: mango, banana, etc. So we also have a vegetables book, because these are some of the vegetables and fruits we have introduced in the busy basket. So just kept those books also. And there is a coloring sheet. I always love to have a grasper crayon with plain paper for her to just scribble. And here is a Doman style homemade book, just as part of our RB. And so this is how our shelf looks like. So you can see the Bow Meow Wow book there. It's a silent book. It's a very beautiful book basically. So I have planned to keep this yellow table for this entire week, and I also have planned for some stamping activity and some water play with these balls and all this stuff. I will be posting all those in my Instagram stories in the upcoming days. Maybe you can follow me in Instagram to watch those stories on how we progress. And so for the next few weeks, I'm going to work on these kind of color theme based baskets and activities. The next week I'm planning to do red color or green color, like that, and then we will progress to shapes, fruits, vegetables, kind of seasonal activities and all that. So I'll try to consolidate all the videos, and I will try to post it in as a YouTube video. But then you can also follow me in Instagram to watch the real-time pictures and real-time videos then and there whenever we do an activity or whenever we do something. So you can see that Shradhu has already started enjoying the busy baskets. While I was arranging the table, I was shooting it and she was not able to wait until I complete, so she started immediately. So that is why I told you, like, busy baskets are something that is very, very interesting for the children. They would love to explore the things, but also at this point of age, children loves to throw things, so you can also expect some throwings more often. So if they are throwing it, you can gently remind them not to throw and keep it back in the place very safely. And also toddlers, as you can see in this, toddlers love to learn everything through their senses, so they will definitely put everything in mouth. So gently remind them this is not for eating. So in the upcoming activities, that's why I plan for mess-free painting, which is edible clay dough, all those stuff. We also have videos regarding the edible clays, how you can make that. So I will leave the link in description below for you guys to check out. So in case if you're wondering how to set up small busy baskets or how you can engage your toddler with day-to-day activities, you can check out this video, and this series of video is going to be very helpful if you have a child above 1 year. You can also introduce these kind of busy baskets even before 1 year. When I started with busy baskets, I have introduced red color theme baskets, blue color theme baskets, green color theme baskets when Shraddha was only 7 months or so, and she really enjoyed it. So at 16 months, I am planning to introduce the color themed activity also on every day. So that is what is going to be a little bit advanced for Shraddha at this age. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.